Hello, guys. Welcome back to my class, English in Minutes. Today, we're going to have a look at lesson number 5, present simple, the affirmative. So let's get started. On our first page, present simple. So, present simple, we've got a rule when we look at our tenses. Subject, verb with S or ES plus the object. Okay, that is the sentence structure. Then we add S or ES when we use he, she, it. Okay, we add S or ES with he, she, and it. Exclude, we don't use S or ES with I, you, we, and they. Okay, that's the rule that we need to follow to use our S or ES. Then on to the next page, the S or ES to verbs. The subject that exclude the S or ES endings are I, first person singular, you, second person singular and plural, we, first person plural, they, third person plural or singular when used as a general neutral pronoun. Plural nouns, for an example, the dogs, the students, the cars. Okay. On to the next page. Here are some examples that we can have a look at. So the first one, I work every day. You like coffee. Okay. So remember with I and you, we're not going to use our S or ES. But with she works, he plays, it rains. Okay, then we're going to use our S. She works on Mondays. He plays football. It rains a lot in winter. The next page, why do we use present simple tense? Okay, what is the reason for using this tense? First one says to talk about daily routines. Okay, to talk about habits, to talk about facts and general truths, to talk about timetables and schedules. Okay, so for an example, I work as a teacher. That is my daily routine. The sun rises in the east. That is a fact. Okay, quite easy to use. It's something that we use daily. Just a quick summary of lesson number 5. So the rule, what is our rule? We add a subject, a verb with S or ES, plus an object. Okay. Sorry about that line. Let me fix it with verb S or ES. Okay. Then S and ES add to he, she, and it, but S and ES we don't add with I, you, we, and they. Okay. Use for daily routines, habits, timetables, and facts. The next lesson, lesson number 6, we are going to have a look at your present simple, negative, and questions. Guys, please remember to subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date with what would be the next lesson. Thank you so much for joining the class today. See you next time. Bye.